This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 156 by 50 unit. Then I will boss this rectangle to 22 unit. After that, we can see we have another rectangular profile here, and for drawing this rectangle we will draw it in dimension of 92 by 50 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 65 unit. Then in this second rectangle we can see we have a rectangular cut like this one, and this rectangular cut has a dimension of for drawing this rectangular cut I will draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 50 minus 23, which will be 27. And as the rectangular cut has a distance of 50 units, so I will offset these two lines, so this half distance will be 50 divided by 2, so 25 unit each. Okay, then I'll close these two shape, then I will extrude cut, then I will extrude cut it to 58 unit. Okay, let's go back to our software and do this. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it and now sketch. After that, now select the center rectangle from here and place the center rectangle here, and draw a center rectangle of dimension 50 divided by 50 by 156 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, it to 22 unit. Okay, so this rectangular portion has been done. After that, select this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, again select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle here. Now dimension this rectangle to 50 by 92 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, it to 65 unit. Now press OK. So now it's time for rectangular extrude cut. For doing the rectangular extrude cut, I'm selecting this upper face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center line tool from here. I will use the center line tool and draw a center line of 50 minus 23, so it will be 27 unit. From that, select the offset entries and select this line and as the total distance is 50 units, so half distance will be 50 divided by 2, so it will be 25 unit. Now bidirectional cap int line, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, it to 58 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now select, now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we have two circular extrude cut, one is here and another two is here. And for drawing this circular extrude cut, first of all I will draw a circular extrude cut here, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 18 diameter. Then I will extrude cut it to 10 unit. Then we have another circular extrude cut here, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 13 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to through all. Okay, and after that I will select the right plane here, and then I will mirror this other part also. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting this face, and before going back to our sketch, you can see the circular profile here has a distance of 25 unit from this line, and from this center line it has a distance of 62 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now after that, select the circle tool from here and place the circle tool here and draw a circle of 18 diameter. Now select the smart dimension, select this circle, and from this line, select this circle, and from this line the dimension is 25 unit. Now press OK. Again select the circle, and from this center the dimension is 62 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, it to 10 unit. Okay, this extrude cut portion has been done. Now zoom here and rotate it. Now select this inner face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle tool here and place the circle tool to the previous circle center and draw a circle of 13 diameter. Okay, drawing a circle of 13 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extend this arrow. Okay, now press OK. So this circular portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now it's time to mirror in this other portion. For that I'm selecting the right plane as the mirror plane. Now select mirror as I have previously select the right plane, so mirror face the plane has been selected right plane automatically. Now I'll select the features to be mirror. We want to mirror the StudyCAD 2 and StudyCAD 3 portion. Now press OK. So our mirror portion has been done. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. This time we need to draw two hole here and another is here. And for drawing this hole, we can see this circular portion has a dimension of 13 diameter, and we have a angle of 90 degree here, and this two distance is 3.5 unit. And now how will we draw it? And for drawing this, I will use the hole wizard here, and from there and select this legacy hole and select the C-shank drilled. And here if we match the sketch here, we can see this lower portion diameter is 13. So in here we have the lower portion diameter is 13, so we are putting the value here is 13. Okay, as I have been previously put the value, so it has already taken shape. Then we can see the angle is 90 degree here, so the C shank angle here and here, and the angle is set to 90 degree. And after that we can see the C shank diameter here is 20 unit. So how this diameter has been calculated? So if we demonstrate our sketch here, and this is our sketch, okay, and the total angle is 90 degree here to here, total angle is 90 degrees. So if we draw a center line here, and as the total distance is here to here is 3.5 unit, so this distance will be also 3.5 unit also. And the angle is 90 degree total, so this will be 45 degree and this will be 45 degree. So we need to find the value of this x, and for finding this value we can see x equal to, it will be 3.5 divided by 1045 degree. Okay, 1045 degree. So we will get the value of 3.5. okay, so the our diameter will be if we calculate, it will be 3.5 plus this portion, the 30 diameter, so this will be the 13 diameter portion, then this portion will be 3.5. so the total will be 20 unit. So this is how I have been calculated the 20 C-shank diameter. Okay, and the depth, if we see the depth here is 23 unit, and here we can see that it has a sharp corner of 180 degree, but we don't have any sharp corner, so it will be 180 degree. So let's position our sketch. So 3D sketch, position our sketch. Now select the smart dimension tool here, and now orientate it, or you can rotate. Okay, so in here we can see this hole, and from this line it has a distance of 50 divided by 2, so it will be 25 in. So this line along this line, so the distance will be 25 unit. Okay, and for same will be for this lower portion also, so the distance will be 25 unit. So this two portion has been dimension. Now normal to it. After that we can see that we have a upper distance of 15 unit from this four line to this circle, then the both circle has a distance of 27 unit. So go to smart dimension, and from this point to this horizontal line the distance is 15 unit, and from this portion to this portion the distance is 27 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now press OK. So our structural hole has been cut. And if to measure this distance to this distance is 3.5 unit, so I will use the evaluate measure, and from this circular part to this circular part, if you want to see, you can zoom here. You can see this center to center distance here is 3.5 unit, which is like our sketch. So our sketch is doing well. Now isometric it for a better view, let's go back to our sketch, and this time we have the fillets to be done, and we can see we have one fillet and another and another, and all of these fillets are 12 unit. Okay, and we have many fillets in the total sketch here, and all the other fillet are 3 unit. So let's go back to our sketch and fillet all the portion. So I am selecting the features now, fillet. Now for the fillet, select the 12 unit. Okay, now select this line and select this line, and you can rotate here, or you can hover to see the back face of the line, or you can rotate and select manually. Okay, now press OK. So this R12 fillet has been done. Now we need to draw the R3 fillet, and for drawing the R3 fillet, we have to set the dimension to R3, and now select almost all the faces. We need to do the fillets. Okay, I'm selecting all the faces that are need to be done fillet. So this face also, this face. Okay, we think we are done. Now press OK. So all the fillet has been positioned as usual. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.